Can I watch you work?
I don't mind.
Okay.
As long as somebody's enjoying it.
Yeah, you seem to know your machine pretty well. I mean,
Well, I was up until 2 o'clock this morning.
Oh, is that right?
So.
Wow.
Then I come up here and roll a beat on the first.
Well,
Happened to me last year too.
you need some help, or boy, you become your own jack,
I
huh?
have a question for you. There seems to be like some interest that women might get into the sport.
Yeah.
In view of all this stuff.
Actually, in this race, they do have a women's race at the end.
Right.
And I'm a very competitive person, so
Oh, no kidding.
actually, my husband, if he would build me one, I would probably race with the guys.
With the guys.
Yes.
They say that's coming. What would you think of if girls started beating the guys out
I
here?
think that would be pretty cool. That'd be awesome.
Been better than that.